SafeSmart Aviation, a specialist division of SafeSmart Access, bring added safety and efficiency to the hangars and ramps of the world. For MRO operators, ground crew, aircraft mechanics and technicians, and others who carry out essential maintenance, SafeSmart Aviation understands the needs of these personnel during routine tasks, checks, and complete overhauls, particularly when working at height. For both rotary and fixed-wing aircraft, SafeSmart Aviation utilizes a global network of representatives and an in-house design team to assess the safety issues of aviation maintenance environments and solve those issues via consultation, high-tech drafting, and fabrication. In addition to our standard range, all customized products are built in SafeSmart's own factory by highly skilled welders and engineers. Using high-tensile aluminum, all work platforms, steps, ladders, and more are weather-resistant and easy to maneuver around the workspace. And each unit is thoroughly tested before dispatch to our global clients to make sure the unit performs beyond its design expectations, and above all, are compliant to safety regulations for working at height, no matter what region they are deployed to. SafeSmart Aviation have custom-designed maintenance platforms and the like for some significant clients around the world, such as United Airlines, Stars Air Ambulance, Airbus Defense and Space, the U.S. Air Force, Royal Air Force, WestJet, Qantas, H&Z, Sikorsky, Boeing, and many more. From design to fabrication, we work closely with our clients to make sure that their aspirations for increasing efficiency and safety around their maintenance facilities are closely correlated. During the process, we keep clients up to date with 3D renders of designs for their approval, as well as advice for optimizing their workspace for increased productivity. And we make sure that via our research and engagement with the aviation industry, we keep up with the changes in physical features of aircraft models, so that our platforms get personnel as close as safely possible to aircraft maintenance points, whether it is along the wings, around and under the fuselage, into wheel wells, to avionics, tails, noses, or anywhere else, all with fall protection. Beyond static designs, SafeSmart Aviation can also embellish height access systems with add-on features such as motorized adjustment mechanisms, hand winches, additional aircraft protection padding and buffering, locking gates, under-platform lighting, pneumatic casters, site-specific powder-coated colors, and high drainage surfaces. Based in the USA, Australia, the UK, New Zealand, and Canada, SafeSmart Aviation covers the entire globe as a leader in portable height access for MRO operators. Looking to improve safety and efficiency at your aviation facility? Look to SafeSmart Aviation for heightened hangar safety.